So, hello everyone, this is Shreyas from Rapid AI. Today we'll be going through this chatbot masterclass where I'll be telling you how to build AI chatbots from completely scratch. I'll be going through the different tools that I personally use myself because there are like a tons of different tools in the market to build chatbots, but there are the few reliable ones that I personally use, and I would suggest anyone else who's doing chatbots to use the same. I've delivered like till date, I've delivered 10 chatbot projects. Now, the crux here is that chatbot projects are more on the difficult end just because you have to add database integration, you have to do XYZ, you have to do a whole lot of stuff, and like yeah, there should be a human end of element. There are so many different things here. So yeah, chatbot is more of on a complex end. At the same time, I personally think the chatbots are not dead yet. You still can make a lot of money if you just get the right clients, and I'll also tell you how to get the clients for chatbots. But yeah, first let's just go through the basic three. First, I'll just run you through the different tools that I personally use to do chatbots. We got vector shift. Now, being honest, I've used vector shift only once. That's because the client's database was too big, so that the SQL query thing, it was not working. It was taking a lot of time. So I said, let's just use vector shift. Vector shift is really good and fast when it comes to doing database integrations. But on the other end, I don't see any other usage, being honest. So there's an issue on that. You got BotPress. So BotPress was like my first starting block of chatbots. But as you could see, 6 months ago, 4 months ago, 6 months ago, no one's using it. I mean, I don't use it, being honest, as much. And yeah, I mean, I don't even understand the pricing and stuff like that. I think it's kind of on expensive end, maybe. I'm not kind of sure, but yeah, increase limits. What's the pricing? So yeah, you could just add mhm. I think yeah, it's like a build your own plan, something along those lines. Then we have Voiceflow. Voiceflow is like the most. I use Voiceflow for almost all of my projects. It's like the most basic, rudimentary thing that you should know in the world of chatbots. I mean, I don't care if you don't know vector shift. You should at least know how to use Voiceflow. And after Voiceflow, you got Manychat. Now, Manychat is great for Instagram and Facebook automations just because it's meta verified, which means that your account will not be banned. Which in like if you're using any other third party platform, there are chances of your account getting banned, and if your account's banned, like no one can do shit. So that's why we have Manychat. Manychat is a really great platform, being honest. But I just don't like it as much because of the fact that it's I just don't like the interface, and I think it's not as customizable as Voiceflow, but still it's pretty doable and I like it. So yeah, this is Manychat in here. Then we also got Tixea Agents. So this is like a secret sauce that I'll be telling you towards the end of the video. This is like really, really, really powerful software. Not many people in the AI industry are using this. They should be using this because this thing, if the chatbot is worth $500, this thing makes it worth $5,000. And I'll tell you how. So this is also a sample account because I cannot show you my client work. But yeah, pretty rudimentary basic stuff. Let's just go back. Let's just start with making our first chatbot. So let's just say you're in Voiceflow. Let's just start our first chatbot from Voiceflow. So before we begin, we have three different kinds of chatbots. We got appointment booking chatbots. This chatbot allows you to book out appointments. Then we have lead generation chatbot. This chatbot allows you to send data to a Airtable or to a database for to store data, to store leads. Then you got customer support chatbot. This thing answers customer support queries with the help of knowledge base. And then you could also customize all three of this to come together to become like ultimate giga chatbot. But I don't think it's like being honest, you cannot independently sell any of this. It's more of like a policy. If you think that okay, I can independently sell appointment booking, I can independently sell lead generation or customer support. Again, you can sell. I can independently sell lead generation, customer support, appointment booking. They cannot be sold independently. You need to pair them up with something. Your offer needs to be stronger. That you are not just selling a lead generation chatbot. You should be selling a whole host of packages. And yeah, I mean, you should try to sell all of this together, and you could also add some more functionality, slap some more stuff on top so that it looks bigger and better. Anyways, starting off with appointment booking. So you go to Voiceflow. So I got this Voiceflow template. I just like make this account again for to show you guys how this works. Now, if you are new to this, you will get like I'd say a 2-week trial of Pro subscription, but eventually you're gonna get downgraded to like a basic one. So might as well just start with the basic one. So if you're on Pro, you will see like some kind of a bar here that says 7 days left, 6 days left, whatever. And then I don't think I'm a Pro. Yeah, I'm not a Pro. So this is like a demo account, so I don't even care. But yeah, so we got Voiceflow template. I'll just remove this template just because I don't think I need it. So whenever you're making a new agent, click on the new agent button on the top right. Just a second, I'll just refresh this. So this is like a really powerful software, Tixea Agents or Voice Glow. I knew about this for a while, but I've never seen any YouTuber actually going out there and making tutorials on this, because this is like a magical tool if you know how to use it, if you have the brains to use it. New agent, I'll call this booking. So we could start with a basic template. We could start with all the templates, but I'll use a basic template just because we're gonna learn how to do it from scratch. I'll go to rapidxai.com. So you can just, after this, you can talk to an agent. Not talk, but you could just like test if the knowledge base has been added. Now in here, there's no need to add a URL. You could keep it empty. It's gonna take the Voiceglow URL on its own. And you don't need to add the URL. But if you have a website, you might as well just add the URL. It's much better. Go to workflows. So yeah, once you open this, you'll see something like this. I'll try to explain the flow to you. So it's a welcome node. The first message, hi there, I'm a new AI assistant. Ask a question, I'll use AI to answer it. I'll say, why is Earth flat? Question mark. Obviously Earth is flat, we all know that. Yeah, Earth is not flat, but yeah. So it answered me using AI, which is kind of cool. But so this could be an example of I'll say a customer support chatbot. All you need to do is just change the prompting, and it will be done. It's easy. Yeah. So I'll just check the prompting here. What's the prompt? Wait. Yeah. I can change the prompt later. So that's that's not an issue here. Anyways, I'll just wait. What? I'll just take all of this away. I'll just unlink this. So this could be later be used for I'll say to build a customer support chatbot. So I'm not deleting this as of now, because then I need to do this whole thing again. Let's just start with the appointment booking first of all. We got nodes here. We got the AI section. Under AI section, what? Okay, deprecation notice. Okay, so yeah, the AI steps have been replaced, something along those lines. So prompt, logical search. Anyways, so these are like different AI. It's not working because I think they have just removed this feature. But yeah, you got messages, you got prompt, you got image, you got a card, you got carousel. These are like a different talk in the sense you're just trying to this blog. This would respond to the person. It will talk to the person. Then you got listen. Under listen, you got buttons, choices, capture. Choices is gonna be like 2 different ways. It's gonna take that thing. Logic, we got conditions. If you want to set a condition, dev is like in here you can make a custom actions, which is great. That's why I'm talking about customizability, which is not there in Manychat. You could create a custom functions to do some custom stuff on JavaScript. And I know most of you guys don't know coding here, so I won't waste much of your time on that. Let's just first of all we'll drag a message block here. I'll just type in hey, okay, or yeah, whatever, welcome to RapidXAI, how may I help you? So once this question is asked, you can add like a button block here to give the person two different options: book appointment with Raj. Book appointment, we could do ask questions about rapid XAI. Third one. So these different once these buttons are clicked, they're going to trigger different kind of automations. So I'll say submit inquiry, submit partnership inquiry. Yep, seems easy enough. So now what we'll do is, in here, book appointment with Raj. Under this, I'll just so this is like a book appointment feature. Under message, yeah. So now we have to add a Calendly link here. This way the person could directly book from the chatbot itself. So I'll just ask for iframe code. First of all, I'll just find my Calendly. Yes, Raj. Sony. Okay, I'll go to my accounts then. I was trying to find my original. Yeah, this is it. Sony. I'll copy this one. I'll say give this link as a iframe embed. So iframe allows you to add elements like videos, stuff like that inside a chatbot or on a website. Copy this, paste it in this text block, and the text block will change into what we call as a iframe. Yeah, perfect. Now I'll just keep it up here. This was like appointment booking. So appointment, I'll just cross off appointment booking because we did it. I'll show you how this appointment booking part works. Okay, I'll just run this. Book appointment with Raj. Yeah. Person could book the appointment at whatever date he wants and stuff like that, and then you can also connect this to. I'll say, wait here. I'll just copy this again. Copy this block. Paste it here. It will say anything else. Anything else? And I'll remove the appointment booking with Raj because the person just booked the appointment with Raj, so that shouldn't be an issue. Anyway, yeah, this was the appointment booking part with the person. You could just give it to your client and say, hey, this chatbot would allow the person to automatically book the appointment if the person is interested. Now, this would be incredibly difficult to sell just because it's not something special. Your client could just see a few videos and can do this himself. That's why I told you that these different propositions, they're not individually, you cannot individually sell these things. You need, I'd say, a complete offer with a few things slap on top so that it looks appealing. So now let's just do the lead generation part. Lead generation, it's going to be simple. So we're going to take the lead data. Let's just say, hey, what's your name? Hey, where you live? Hey, what's your phone number? Hey, are you free tonight? So something along those lines. And then you're going to put that all into an Excel sheet, a spreadsheet. Maybe you could use Airtable. You could use all of that different platforms. But yeah, something along those lines. And then, the person could just simply respond, and if the person wants to actually submit an inquiry, they could easily do that on the Excel sheet. So I'll go to Excel. I'll go sheets here. And that will sheet. Let's just check at Google Sheets API. Now I think Google Sheets is going to be a pain in the ass just because I have to think. Should I use Google Sheet or I could just use Airtable? Airtable is much easier. Now The problem with Google Sheet is that I need to go to the Google Cloud API. I need to get an API in OAuth authentication. After that, I have to write the whole JSON. I have to validate the JSON. There's like there are like 100 different places where everything could go wrong, and I don't want to do that. Maybe I didn't enable something in the Google console and stuff like that. So I don't want any of that complications. So we'll just do Airtable. Airtable is pretty straightforward, simple, and it's not a pain in the ass, fortunately. Yeah, name. I'll call this name, phone, as a phone number, address. I don't need the address, being honest. Email address would be better here. Also request or additional info. I think it's gonna be a long text because like people write a lot. I'll delete all of this. Deleting these 3 rows. Yeah. Would do help. Go to the API documentations, and I need to check what's table 1. Create a record. Please add some records. I'll add a record. Okay. You good now? Yeah, you're good. Okay. So as it says, first we need a post URL. So now I'll show you the magic of APIs. First of all, submit a partnership inquiry. Talk. What's your name? So we're gonna ask this guy these questions. Then we'll use a capture block to capture everything. I'll just multiply this by 4 or 5. I'll just multiply this by 4 because we already have like 4 columns, so we are gonna easily need 4 different blocks here. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. So now I'll create a new entity. It's gonna be called as name. Data type would be, I think it's gonna be string here. Name. Now I've turned on automatically reprompt. I'll turn off listen for other triggers, because what happens is that if you turn on listen for other triggers, it's gonna hallucinate and then it's gonna navigate the conversation somewhere else when it should be going this way. So that's for that reason. Listen for other triggers would be off. Automatically reprompt would be on. Let's just say I just said, okay, my name is Shreyas. Shreyas what? The AI is gonna ask itself. Pretty cool stuff right there. So you don't have to go to the complexities of if there are 2 words, then consider valid, else ask the person again. It's much more easier to let AI handle its own thing. What's your phone number? Yeah. I'll type phone. This one may call as email. No, I don't need variants. Turn this off. Turn this off. I'll say email, yeah. Email, yeah. Perfect. Create entity. Then what's any additional information? Any additional info or inquiry? Question mark. Turn off listen for the triggers. Entity would be inquiry. I think select that the data type would be, and I can keep it like I can keep it custom, but then we might face a issue. So inquiry, want to talk about partnership. Yeah, okay. I mean, looks cool. Now under dev, I'll use a API block. I'll use a post request. Now, why did I use a post request? Because it's written goddamn here. X post. Then I'm gonna just grab this URL. Yeah, perfect. Authorization would be copy this, headers, authorization, enter value. Now in here I need to make, I'll need to make a token. Let's just make a token now. So under, I'll go to builders hub, personal access tokens. You can also use a OAuth integration, but I'll use personal access token. So yeah, name would be something, scope. Now I'm just doing this for test one, so I didn't put a proper name, but I'd recommend you guys to properly label everything that you guys build in case of webhooks, in case of API keys, so that you don't by mistake delete the wrong one. In this case, I'm just doing this for demonstration purposes, so I don't mind, but yeah, just keep this in mind. I think I'm going to change the name, so wait, I'll go back to Airtable. I'll just add all the bases. I might need to change the name for this. The reason being that, open the base. Else I might, confuse myself with, okay, which one is which. So yeah. Lead gen. Just see if same thing got updated here. It's not updated. Just generate the personal access token again. I'll say lead gen. I'll add all the scopes. Because if you just leave out any scope, then the scope of error increases drastically. So you just give access to all the different scopes. That way you are just sure that okay, you didn't mess up anything while making the API key. Yeah, lead gen, perfect. Create a token. Grab this token, paste it here. Yeah, the value should be this, if I'm not wrong. Let me just check. Is it like a bearer plus the value? Sometimes you gotta add like the word bearer to make sense of the value. Create a record. Yeah, I knew it. It's just bearer your secret API key. So just do it this way. Bearer. Yeah, makes sense. Now this is done. The next one would be content type. Application /JSON, because we'll be sending out data in JSON format. Parameters, I don't need to add. I don't think there's a need to add any kind of parameter here. Raw would be, you could use raw, you could use URL encoded, but anyways, I'll say I'll just grab this JSON schema. I might let me just add something here. Name Shreyas. Phone 12816. Email nothing. Just try this now. I'll refresh this and see if the JSON schema has been changed. So yeah, perfect. I don't think I need fields twice. Yeah. What I'll do is I'll just grab fields once because I don't think there's a need to add like fields twice. Yeah. Copy this. Now here's a magic part. You just paste it here. And in case of name, I'll replace it with the variable name. Yeah. Let me just check what's the variable name here. Is it small n? Yeah, perfect. Name. Phone would be phone number. So P is capital. I hope you guys are understanding what I'm doing right now. Even though I think I might be going a bit fast, it's pretty simple. So I don't want to waste much of our time here. We got more complex projects to tackle. So yeah, I mean, I'm just building a JSON schema that will allow me to send data to email, yeah, to the spreadsheet. Whenever someone says that, hey, I want to talk to Mr. Raj or something like that, yeah. Inquiry. Perfect. Let me just try this. Let's just see what I'm gonna get. I need the status code to be 200, but it's 422. Could not pass JSON body, okay. And did I mess up something? I think I did mess up something. I didn't actually mess up anything, wait. Additional information, okay. I think I messed. I just left out a few brackets. Anyways, what's wrong with my JSON? ChatGPT knows best. Yeah, perfect. Wait. I can add it myself, I think, yeah. Perfect. Now let me just send this again. And just to use last values. Well, yeah, we got a few stuff here. Now I think I'll just I think I might remove this. Why is it double slash is also being added to the spreadsheet? That's not how it should work, I think. Just remove the double slash like this. I think then it's gonna add like the word itself, like phone number and stuff like that. Let me just try this. Might need to bear with the. Yeah, no, wait, okay, it works great. Yeah, perfect. This was lead gen here. So I'm just generating leads here. So I'll just play this once again. So partnership inquiry. I'll use a random name. Can't use the same name again and again. What's the name? Let me just see how this is gonna go out. That person is me. Okay, so looking to invest and work with RapidX. API call was success. Invest to work with RapidX. Yeah, perfect. This was lead generation in a nutshell. I hope it was easy. I kept it pretty straightforward here. And now I think I'll show you customer support. Yeah. I'm just gonna grab this. Let's go back, wait. Grab the whole thing. Bring it here. Just remove these two extra strings. Bring it back up. Now I think all I need to do is just change the I'll just change the prompt. Yeah, so session history, user question. I'll say maintain Spartan tone of voice, keep the answers short yet effective, under 70 characters. Maintain a Spartan tone of voice, keep the answer short yet effective, refer to knowledge base. Now I need to check if it could answer. What is Tixae about? Question mark. I'm not quite sure if it's gonna be able to answer. Yeah. Great. I'm happy. I'll make it 200 characters. And give brief explanation about question. If I run this again, yeah, perfect, looks cool. Answer, I'll use AI to answer it. About RapidX AI and looping back to ask a new question. Yeah, perfect. Now I think that this is done. This is like a fully functional. You can sell this chatbot for $200, $300 easy if you know how to sell. But yeah, yo. Now the issue here is that if you try to say something like hello, yo, sub, it's gonna break and it's not gonna respond anyway. So yeah, let's just see. It's taking its time, which is weird. I think I'll train the agent first. So training the agent allows us to. There is something called hallucinations with AI. So AI just calls A B and B A. So that's called hallucinations. So to remove hallucinations, to minimize hallucinations, you gotta train the agent, and Voiceflow does it for you on your behalf, so you don't have to do it yourself. And yeah, that's a question about RapidX AI. So yeah, what services do RapidX AI solutions offer? Yeah, perfect. Okay, that's cool. But yeah, I might need to refresh this to go back to the first one. But yeah. So book appointment will take me to the book appointment page, and submit a partnership inquiry will take me to the partnership inquiry page, and then it's gonna save data in the spreadsheet. So yeah, pretty straightforward, pretty simple, easy to build. It's completed, which I'm very happy about. So yeah, this was the basics of. This is like a very basic. It's called a foundation of the chatbot building. You need a lot more skill than this to build something that's viable in the market. I'll tell you on that how as well. So I was thinking of building an e-com chatbot, So let's just do this first. So I just asked ChatGPT for a sample data, but somehow okay. So that I got some kind of timeout. Anyway, so what is this? ABC. So I built a Shopify store. It's 20 rupees for the whole month. So I got this, and now on top of this, I'll build a chatbot that will allow us to submit inquiries, make inquiries and stuff like that. So we could be doing that. So yeah, we got ABC. Anyways, so I think I need to add more. I might need to add more stuff here. Anyways. Yeah, I think it got me exported, but bulk editor. CSV file for inventory. I told this guy to give me a CSV with sample products for a Shopify store. 10-15 minimum. There's a store called GIVA in India. It's a silver store which is built off Shopify. I'll just check GIVA. Now I'll just show you how to build an e-commerce chatbot in 5 minutes. So this is gonna be cool. I'll just remove all of this. I'll say sitemap.xml. Now I know this is on Shopify, but yeah, I don't mind. Copy this. Now let's just make a chatbot for GIVA. I'll also tell you how to outreach to these guys because they don't apparently have a chatbot here, which is unfortunate. Where's GIVA? Yeah, these guys do not have a chatbot. Yeah, shit. They do have a chatbot, but it's like a really rudimentary one. Heck, it doesn't even work. Notification blocked. What? Allow for this site. Okay. It's not even working. So it's not even working, which is really bad. Silver infinity bracelets. Yeah, these guys have got a great collection, but the chatbot is not working. If you go onto their Instagram, I don't think that's working as well. Nushka Sharma's. Damn, she buying this silver jewelry. Everyone knows like she ain't buying the silver jewelry. She must be buying platinum or diamond stuff like that. She's rich. Anyways, let's just build a chatbot for GIVA. We'll just keep dynamic Tixea agents. Click on create. This is the complete interface for Tixea agents. I'll run you through this. Because we got crawler, so I don't ever use crawler, being honest. Though I can use crawler technically. I'll give it a job. Here I could just say, oh shit, I think I need to turn off the notification for Google Chrome. Wait. Okay. Customized. I've given. Don't allow sites to send me. Yeah, that's better. I don't want like some bullshit. Crawl, deep scrape. So this is like a great thing on Tixae. You can literally crawl clutch. You can use clutch.io. I think it's called Clutch, yeah. Clutch, leading marketplace of finding business services. Marketing, yeah. I'll go to marketing. So in Clutch, you could just get like a whole host of different designing services and stuff like that. I'll just join. Continue with Google. I'll make this quick. So it's like a really great use case of Tixea Agents. Now, I don't usually use the crawler from Tixea Agents just because it's more on the expensive end, but still pretty cool. Marketing. Creative. Let's just go on creative, yeah. Market Bridge is verified. Arnold Street Agency is verified. These guys are verified, right? Yeah. So it's gonna be fun. Control X. We go to Tixea Agents. Where is it? Yeah. Assign crawl job to agents. Start job. I'm not quite sure if it's gonna work out, but if it works out, it's gonna be a great functionality. But the main functionality here we are looking at is the agents part. Now we just built an agent for GIVA. If I go in here, it says it's powered by Tixea Agents. I can change this now. I'll say powered by RapidX. RapidX AI. And after the colon mark, I can just change the change the link to my own website link. This way it's going to redirect to my website. If I click here, okay, RapidX.ai. I think for me that's .com. My bad, yeah, my bad. Sorry, .com. Still works pretty well. It's gonna open this website of mine. Now I know it's pretty laggy, but it's still cool. So this is how you can change the branding for a client. GIVA, your personal assistant. DM Sans, we got the change the font and stuff like that as well. Custom theme. I can pick a theme as of something like, yeah, this looks kind of cool. I'll enable tabs. So I'll show you, that's something magical here. Now this gives you a look of Intercom. If you know Intercom is a leader. Intercom is a leading AI chatbot provider for big companies, and this thing. What's the pricing for Intercom? I'm just curious. Yeah. Use many agent. So Fin is like yeah, so yeah, you got like an intercom like bubble here. So this thing gives you the same look that of an intercom. Kind of similar. So you got the same intercom vibe here, and you could just customize the whole thing here. But the main thing that I'm interested to hear about is, I'll end this. Yeah, I'll change the setting to, I'll disable nodes, go to knowledge base, go to GIVA, click on sitemap.xml. Because we need the sitemap of this website, and this will allow I'll add a source, I'll use URL and I'll fetch all the websites that are on the sitemap. Once I add these URLs, it's going to add the products, all listed products on GIVA, all the data that's present on GIVA. This way you can easily this way you could easily just grab all the data from the website itself. And then based off that, we could just simply make the whole chatbot. It could be done in under less than 5 minutes. Like, it's how quick it is. Then you could shoot a video that says, "Hey GIVA, so you guys didn't have a chatbot, you guys didn't have a social media presence, which is really really bad. It's costing you deals. So let me build this chatbot for you. You're gonna love it." So it's doing its thing. It's inserting a knowledge base. Sometimes it takes like a few minutes. Sometimes it takes like 10 minutes, 20 minutes. But yeah, if it doesn't happen quickly, just close this and do it again. That's much faster than waiting. Going back, got GIVA here. Okay, I'll search for. Okay, there's got 2 URLs already, which is great. I'll open Tixea Agents in another platform just because I know that it's going to take time. Just start prompting the agent. This way, we could just we could be sure that okay, this thing's gonna work well. I think we got sample products here. I have to import products. Sample CSV. Arrange the CSV similar to the product template. Shopify. Two different responses. I don't understand shit. Which one is faster? I'll give it to that guy. Anyways, it's taking its time. We'll open GIVA here. So you got like 2 different sectors here. You got North America and you got Europe. We are currently working with North America, if I'm not wrong. So I'll switch to North America. So select your agent. I'll go to GIVA. Under builder, we are going to be using text here, so no issues on that. Now this is much more flexible than using. We can use nodes as well, but that's our topic for another video. Because once you start using nodes, the possibilities are endless, and it's really cool how this software was just like once a UI element for the for chatbots. Now it has become a self chatbot providing platform, which is pretty great. I've been using this for a lot of time, so the aesthetic appeal, the aesthetic upgrade is just out of the box. Now if I were to preview this chatbot, yeah, share prototype. Okay, open a new tab. Confirm, open a new tab. As you could see, it's gonna be pretty simple. It's gonna be bland. It's gonna be white. Not something that people like nowadays. They like it funky. So yeah, it's pretty boring. Yeah, but once you have this platform, it just turns the whole website into bit much more vibrant theme, which is great. So now I need to give it a good prompt. I do have a prompt ready about this, so I don't mind. Let me just see what's wrong. I think this one is gonna work. They did fix the whole thing, so that's weird. Okay, I think this one didn't work. I'll use this one. I don't want to add a product. It's going to take a whole lifetime if I were to do this manually. That's why I asked AI to do this for me. Shit, just do it. As created, so going back to here, I think it's all done. So I don't need to open this 2 different tabs now. I'm going to the builder. I think I did made a chatbot build platform. Chatbot prompt. Prompt. Yeah. I did it for Sugar Cosmetics, I think. Oh wait, it's wrong. AI doctor, AI girlfriend, AI doctor. I think I've lost the prompt. Anyways, we'll just work with our intuitions here. I don't want to use all of these pre-made templates. I got something along the lines of Gorilla Mind, I think. Wait. So I also made a chatbot once for Gorilla Minds. Yeah, that was it. Now give me this prompt for let's just use GPT-4o. GIVA silver jewelry. And I know I messed up the spelling. I know. Yeah, looks cool. Yeah, I'll just copy this and I'll turn this into for GIVA. With the user to GIVA. GIVA also render buttons to navigate the convo. I just save this and show you guys a demo. You're gonna be mind blown. Yeah, let's just do this. I'll say hi. I'm going to be GIVA finds to explore requisite something for my mom. Dazzling silver earrings, timeless gold pendants, gold bracelets. I don't know what is this, but looks pretty cool. I'll just demo this on a new page. That way it's going to be easier. Also, I like to turn on. I'll just save this first under builder. Save. In the settings, forget chat history. I like to turn that on, just so that it's easier. So if I refresh this, I'll say something in necklace. It also added a YouTube video. God damn it, that's cool. And something in necklace, and it gave me silver. Yeah, silver. That's cool. Something for my sister. Do you guys sell anklets? Let's question mark. Something for my sister. Do you guys sell anklets? I'm just asking her. And yeah, they do sell anklets, which is great. Now you guys do not understand how quickly we did it and how fast it was. Like it's just some magical stuff that we just did, and it was just like this. Now if I want, I can pitch this to GIVA right now using my LinkedIn. So I'll just show you what I've been doing with my LinkedIn profile nowadays. Yeah. By the way, connect with me on LinkedIn. So recently I've started doing this. Show the videos. So I directly call out big brands by saying, hey, wake up call for Sleepy Owl. You guys are not responding on socials, which is really, really bad. You guys need my AI chatbot. You guys are missing out on a lot. And yeah, this is what I've been doing on LinkedIn right now. And I could do this with this chatbot agent that I just built. I can do it right now. So yeah, as I was saying, some pretty high value stuff. I also say, now you could also add a section of I have an inquiry. I need I have some issues. Please check the backend and check if where is my order. You can do all of that with this thing without even touching this voice flow. I never need to go back to voice flow ever again with this thing. Another magical thing about this platform is that, okay, so there's this issue that this depletes tokens very fast. So you might need to add your own keys, add your own API keys to keep it running. Let me just see the API keys, yeah. I'll use Grok. Grok is just better and cheaper. Let me just get a Grok credentials. Grok. Grok is like it's technically free, so I don't mind. Some random stuff. Copy ID. Paste it into save, yeah. So now this might deplete token very less way. I was at 2,500, now I'm at 2,160. You just ate away tokens, but still it's very powerful. And if you want to show a demo like this and prove that, hey, I'm a magician, I'm an expert, you can do this. Also, another cool thing that I'll show you is that if you go to channels, you connect it to your Instagram, to your Messenger, everything like that. I'll connect with Meta. Making it quick. Okay. My account is logged. Okay, that's weird. Next. Okay. I didn't receive a code. Wait, that's weird. Anyways, once you do this, you could directly connect to socials, and it's easy. It's you don't even have to pay Manychat, and it's really safe. I've been using this for myself, and it's pretty straightforward. It's pretty safe, and I like it, being honest. So this is like a great platform if you want to prove your prowess as an AI chatbot master. You could just whip up a chatbot in 5 minutes. Here you go. This is the chatbot that I built for you guys, and then once I trust you enough, they'll pay you. So yeah, this is it. Thanks for watching. I'll conclude the first part here. In the second part, we'll do some manual builds. But this is how you can just whip up a chatbot in 5 minutes. I would like you guys to go out there, search, research, innovate onto what I've just said. That way you could maybe start learning yourself, start earning yourself, and you could just find out new ways to understand. Also, join my Discord server if you guys want to. I come live there. I just have a chat with you guys every now and then, so that we could sit down and understand how we could benefit from this AI economy and make money. So anyways, thanks for watching. Follow for more.